It's really easy to get frustrated, overwhelmed, and confused when going out and looking to purchase a new PC or a laptop. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy the perfect PC or laptop in less than 5 minutes. Don't be oversold, don't be undersold. I'm going to tell you what specs you need to look for and whether or not to actually replace or repair your current PC or laptop. Stay tuned. The only thing more frustrating than going out and buying a new car is actually having to go out and buy a new PC and or a laptop. Hi, my name is Chris Adams, president of smadaTech, where we keep your computers and internet running fast and secure. Okay, here's the deal. I'm going to tell you what the perfect PC or laptop is in this video, and I'm going to have you rolling out in about 5 minutes. Typical options are you're going to go to Dell.com, right? I don't know if you've been to Dell.com lately, but that website is overwhelming. I don't even know. They say start here, but it really just starts to get overwhelming pretty quick. You can go to Best Buy, right? The issue with Best Buy, now you're going to deal with the salesman, and you're not sure whether or not that salesman is selling what you need and what they want you to buy. You can go to Costco, right? The issue with Costco is they've got a great warranty, but it still becomes a pain in the butt if you've got it. You buy the computer, you take it in, you get it all set up, and then it doesn't work, then you got to take it all back, right? We're trying to eliminate all of that time, right? Time is money, especially when it's your time trying to buy the right PC. Okay, first question you need to ask yourself, should I replace or should I repair? Okay, so let's talk about the specs. If you go to Start on your Windows, down the left-hand side, you go to Start, go to Settings, go to System, go to the About, scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see the generation of the processor. If you have an 8th generation processor, thumbs up. If you have anything older than an 8th generation, thumbs down, instant upgrade, right? You need to replace that machine. The other thing that you can look at in the About is how much memory. 4 gigs, 8 gigs, or 16 gigs. If you've got 4, that's a problem, but really you need to be at the minimum about 8 gigs. Number 2, let's say your specs are good, right? But now your computer is still running slow. What can you do to speed it up? Number 1, and what I would recommend always, is a wipe and reinstall on the OS. Make sure that you get a backup, okay? Wipe and reinstall, but make sure that you get a backup. Number 2 is if you've got 4 gigs of RAM, upgrade it to 8. If you've got 8, you could upgrade it to 16. You'll definitely get better performance out of that. The bigger one is if you have an older hard drive that is spinning versus a solid state drive. The solid state drives are significantly faster. We've just replaced hard drives and given our customers a lot of stress-free use on their PCs just by upgrading the hard drive. All right, consumables, the batteries, the fans, the power supplies, all the other stuff. That's just at your discretion to get that done. I would say that computers are tools for your employees, and those things are obviously important too. Okay, let's talk about my specs are terrible and I need to replace it. Okay, the first thing you're going to have to understand is you're going to get a Windows 11 machine. What you want to avoid is the Windows S, okay? If you buy a Windows S machine for your business, you're going to have to wipe and reinstall, or there's kind of a clunky workaround. But what the S means is that you are only allowed to load programs from the Microsoft Store, okay? That's terrible for small business. You might be able to get away for it on the consumer or the personal side, but not for a small business. So it's a wipe and reinstall. Make sure that you get 8 or 16 gigs of RAM. Minimum 8, 16 is better. If there's a negligible, $40 or $50 price difference between those, definitely go to the 16 gig. Let's talk about price and warranty. Okay, number 1, warranty typically is 1 year on parts. You can get an extended warranty either through Best Buy or Costco through their insurance plans. I forget the name of what those are. And Dell actually has an extended warranty also. So that's kind of the standard. If you want more, you've got to pay more. For us, our entry level basic computer with a 5-year warranty on parts and labor is $1,200. What do you get for the $1,200? You're going to get an i5 Intel processor. You're going to get 16 gigs of RAM. You're going to get a 500 gig hard drive, solid state. Okay, that's kind of the benchmark. If you go to smadaLABS.com, you'll actually see our S2 machine and our S3 machine. The S2 machine is built for our power user. The S3 machine is built for our engineers. And I'm not going to go into all the specs for that, but go to smadatech.com. Our S1 machine with a 5-year warranty, if you take the $1,200 divided by 5, your total cost of ownership is $240 a year. Okay, total cost of ownership is actually what you should be looking for. Okay, just to recap, number one, should I repair or replace? If it's a repair because it's running slow, take care of that. If it's replacement, go to smadaLABS.com and just kind of look at what we're doing for our customers. I mean, imagine what kind of computers we're building with a 5-year warranty, right? We're building powerful computers. Anyway, my name is Chris Adams. We keep your computers and internet running fast and secure. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.